Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Claire. This is going to be another unboxing video and I have got Birchbox and this is June's Birchbox and it's in collaboration with Paperchase. Absolutely stunning. Birchbox never fail with their designs, that's for sure. Always really pretty, beautiful boxes. So if you're new to Birchbox, I'll just give you a quick lowdown about what it's all about, but if you've seen it all before and you're just curious to see what I received in this month's box, then I'll add a timestamp down below so you're free to flick forward. So Birchbox is a monthly beauty subscription box. It's a UK box and it costs £12.95 a month. You can cancel any time and that includes shipping as well. Inside every box you will receive 5 beauty products from hair care, skincare, makeup, and we've had like tools and makeup brushes and things like that as well. They do tend to be on the smaller size, so you're more likely to find samples in this box. They also have an online shop so you can purchase all the products that you like in your boxes. It was the very first subscription box I subscribed to many years ago and I was with them for over a year before I decided to have a bit of a break and I switched over to another subscription box, and since then I've dipped in and out of it. Some months are better than others. I've been subscribed now for I think it's 3 months, so I'm going to keep this going for the next couple of months. I thought give it a good try, see what it's like, and a lot of you asked me about Birchbox, so I thought I would put it back onto my channel so that you can see what I receive and you can see my thoughts and things like that. I have had sneak peeks online and some of the products are amazing. Some of the products are amazing. I've also had a look in this box. Have to carry on watching. This is late as well. We did have an email near the beginning of June saying that they were going to be late. I'm sure in the email it said that they'd be shipping them out around the 10th, 11th, something like that. So it is super late. I even had an email yesterday asking me what shade of eyeshadow I wanted to choose between, like a pink one and a goldy type shimmer one. Or is it a highlighter? I'm not too sure. Eyeshadow or highlighter ready for July. And it's like I haven't even had my June box yet. So I don't know what was going on there. No other communications or anything. But we got our boxes, so enough of me blabbing. Everything related to the subscription and the website and any links I can find for discounts off your first box I will link down below. So underneath this video click on the show more and that will bring up the description and it'll all be listed down there. So let's open it up. There's mine, give you a quick sneak peek. I just realised I haven't even got a card. Normally you get a little card in here and it tells you everything about the products and it tells you how much they cost and whether it's full size, sample size, etc. But I haven't. There's nothing in there. I've got a little leaflet and it's all to do with Paperchase and it's got money off vouchers there if you're interested in Paperchase itself. There you go. If you sign up to Birchbox yourself, you will then have a unique code that you're able to share with your friends and family on social media, etc. And it means that if someone uses your code, which I believe is £5 off your first box, then it means that you receive a free beauty gift in the following month's box, plus you receive £5 off a shop on the website. So because one of you used my code last month, this is my freebie and I blimmin' love it. I've wanted this for so long. It's CRT and it's dewy stick. I just put it on my daughter as well and she is really glowy. Oh, it's almost, yeah, a dewy stick. It's like a natural sweat look. It is a little bit sparkly. I didn't expect it to be as sparkly, but it's that sort of natural sort of glow that, yeah, I can't wait. I'm going to take this to Greece with me because I tend to wear like tinted moisturisers and then I'll just put during the day because it's just so hot, and then I'll be putting this then on my cheeks. So thank you to whoever used my code and I finally got one of these. I think they're worth around £20. I'm not too sure. They did do their rounds in subscription boxes a little while ago, but I never received it, so I am so chuffed to that. So let's go through the box then one by one. So the first item I got is a face scrubber, and this is by After Spa, and this is for healthy and smooth skin, the ultimate exfoliation for face and neck. And it's, afterspabeauty.com. It says wet skin and scrubber, and apply your favourite cleanser to scrubber. Massage, exfoliate face and neck in circular motions. Rinse, squeeze well after each use. Replace every 60 days. I have got a ton of these, so unfortunately for me this doesn't really excite me. They are handy, they are really handy, but because I've got a load of them, I'm just going to give that away. I'm just going to give it away to a friend because, yeah, there's no point me having a load of them, is there? So that's the first item. So the second item is a Laritzi Cosmetics. It's a lipstick in shade, or lipsticks in shade Plum. It's like a pencil type lipstick. I absolutely love these. Easy to apply, just really, really nice. There's at least one item everybody receives in your Birchbox every month. And if that item has got different shades, then Birchbox sends you an email, like I said, an email yesterday choosing what eyeshadow shade I want. So last month then they had 2 of these sticks, and I'm sure the other one was red, and I chose Plum. Pretty colour, really pretty colour. I'm gutted now. It's not Birchbox's fault, it's not my fault or anything, but I received exactly the same one yesterday in the Pip box in their special summer essentials beauty bag, and yeah, exactly same shade as well. So I'm gonna pass that on to someone. But I'm gutted I didn't choose the red, but I thought I've got loads of reds, so I'll opt for Plum. But never mind, it's a lovely product. I think I've tried a few of these in different shades. Maybe not this brand actually. I can't remember. But yeah, my lipsticks are all over the place. I have got a ton of lipsticks. I got a load here, but then because we're sort of renovating our bedroom, I've got little boxes dotted all around, like the upstairs then, of like all my beauty products and makeup and things, and I'm trying to downsize. So yeah, so I don't really know what I've got all together, so I really need to look through it all. Anyway, next product, and we have got something we received in a Glossybox a couple of months ago, and I haven't even used it yet, so I can't tell you what it's like. It's called Mind Tan, and it's Invisible Colour Everyday Glow. So it's a gradual tan, and it's a colour extender. A untinted daily moisturiser with a touch tan, build or extend a natural golden glow. And this is 30 mils. Not enough really to do a whole body, but I suppose it's enough to apply like to the top half of your body and see how it applies, see how it sinks into the skin, see what the colour is like, see how patchy it is. I can't remember the brand now, but a couple of years ago when they first sort of came out, I had them, and oh my word, I had really bad orange patches, so it wasn't great at all. But yeah, so I haven't tried the other one, so I don't know what it's like, but now I've got 60 mils of this product, so I have got enough to do a full body. But what's it say here? Australian's iconic beach bronze, fast drying, no orange tones, okay, no fake tan smells. It sounds brilliant. It does sound really, really good, so I'm gonna have to give that a go. The next product, we got a teeny tiny sample of a anti-pollution, sorry, I was reading the rest of it then. It says anti-pollution shampooing detox. This is a detox shampoo with aquatic mint, pollution exposed hair, so, and 25 mils. And this is by Laboratories Chlorane, I'm not sure. So enough really for maybe 1, maybe 2 shampoos, depending on your hair length and thickness. Oh, that smells gorgeous. I love the smell of mint, like proper fresh, crushed up mint leaves, you know, and that is exactly what it is. That is stunning. That is stunning. So I'm hoping when I use it that it will leave my hair so I can have like fresh mint smells. Oh, I love it. I'm sniffing it with a lid on now. So yeah, even though it's really small, it'd be nice if we had bigger samples. Say, I don't know, say 100 mils. That'd be really good. But yeah, I'm really looking forward to trying it because it smells blimmin' gorgeous. So that's that item. And then the last one was hiding down the corner. And this is our sneak peek from last month. So on the back of the card, they tell you what your sneak peek is going to be for the following month. Or am I getting confused? They tell you a sneak peek and everyone's going to get that. Plus, everyone is going to get one other item, and that is the one that we have a choice of shades. I think that's what it is. This is my 3rd month back into it. I'm not completely in the flow of things now. But anyway, I'm sure this is our sneak peek for last month, and it's a Benefit Gimme Brow. And this is a brow volumizing fibre gel, and it's 1 gram, and it's neutral light brown number 3. Funny enough, number 3 is way too dark for me. I prefer Precisely My Brow in shade 3 and Goof Proof in shade 2. The Goof Proof has a thicker nib and I use that as a base. So I like to have like a palish base, and then I like to create strokes of hair in a darker than number 3, the Precisely My Brow, which is more like a fine tip pen. This is the fibre tip. So you brush this through your eyebrows once you're all done. If you've got lovely natural eyebrows and you don't use any other products, this is still nice to put. You just brush it through your eyebrows, and the fibre fibres, just like sort of give texture to your eyebrows. If you've got very sparse eyebrows, it can create an illusion of thicker eyebrows, and it's also got a bit of staying power as well. Now I've got the full size version of this and I got it in shade 1. Shade 1 is perfect because I don't want this product to darken what I've already done to my eyebrows underneath it. And darker a fibre eyebrow gel type thing like this, it doesn't suit me. I know I'm going on and on and now, but I'm gutted that I got number 3. I would have preferred a number 1 because even though I got the full size number 1, it's just nice to have another one that is small, I suppose. Take on holiday, trips away, things like that. This is super tiny. I've never seen anything like this before. Oh my word, look. How small is that? Oh my gosh, look. Look at that little wand. That is so small. That is quite dark. There. That is quite dark. So, unfortunately, not for me. It might, actually, my daughter might like it. She's got darker eyebrows than me. So I'll see if it'll suit her. So those are all the items. So I'm just going to gather them all up again. These are the items for June that I've had. There are alternatives. What I receive might not be the same as what you might receive if you opt for this month's box, but there is a bit of a crossover, so you might get a few of them, or you might get exactly the same, but they might be a bit different. I've got an After Spa face scrubber. I've got a, what is this, Mind Tan, a gradual moisturising tan, Larizzi Cosmetics lipsticks. Then I got a Benefit Gimme Brow. It's a gel fibre gel. Then I got a Chlorane or Chloran. It's a gorgeous minty type shampoo. So my thoughts are a bit underwhelmed. I'm gutted that I've just had this yesterday. If I hadn't have already had this, then I think my overall thoughts of this box would be quite good. So Birchbox, you should have come earlier. It'd be like, oh yeah, it's not too bad after all. It's not a bad box, it's just small. It's just the samples are small. I'm going to be giving that away because I get a ton of them in subscription boxes. Yeah, I haven't used that before, but I have got another one. So if it works well, I'm going to be chuffed. So because I got another one. And yeah, the Gimme Brow, it's in the wrong shade for me. It's too dark. This shampoo excites me. It is super teeny tiny and it would have been nicer if it was a lot bigger. But the smell is absolutely gorgeous. So yeah, nice pretty box in collaboration with Paper Chase. Some okay products there, but I'm going to be giving 3 away. I'm only going to be keeping the tan and the shampoo, so the rest I'll be giving away, which is unfortunate. Unfortunate. But yeah, what are your thoughts? What do you think of this month's Birchbox? Have you got the same products as me? Did you get anything else? I did see Sneak Peeksy online and there were some amazing things in there, and it's like, oh, this is like one of the best Birchboxes it has been for a long while. Why didn't I get any of them? Why didn't I get any of the items? I don't know. But yeah, I'd love to know your thoughts. So all your opinions, please comment down below. But I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care and I'll speak soon. Bye.